Hi guys, Winnie here. In this video we're going to draw my Draw So Cute robot. So let's get started. With this robot we're going to first start by drawing its head. So we're going to basically be drawing a really big rectangle. So from here I'm going to go across with a straight line all the way across. About that much, and then I'm going to bring it down on the other side to about, let's see here, going right there, and I'm just going to connect it right across. So I basically got myself a rectangle, and from there I'm going to draw the body, which is another rectangle, so it's much smaller. So I'm going to come in here, just bring a line down. I'm going to center it, so about right here, and about right there I'm going to connect it. So it's a huge head and a smaller body. Okay, so from there, well, since we're down here, let's draw the legs. So we're going to come down here and draw two more smaller rectangles. This one's almost a square, I guess. So I'm just going to come here, make sure it's about centered, so about right there. Almost the same width, and connect it. Okay, so I'm just going to come in here and just draw a line across to give it some details. And now let's come right back up here. So the first thing I'm going to add to this, my robot right here, is I'm going to give it robot ears. So right here I'm going to draw another rectangle, go right across. So nice and easy rectangles. And to add some details, I'm just going to give a little antenna right here. So I hope this drawing inspires you to come up with your own little love robot. Okay, so then from there I'm going to come up here and just draw a straight line across, just for some details. And I'm going to come to center about right here and draw this little heart antenna right here. So I'm going to come up and draw a heart, and then I'll just surround it with a circle and another one like that. Okay, so then now let's bring it to life, and we're going to come in here and draw a huge circle. It's a big Draw So Cute eye. So about right here. Draw another circle towards the edge once again. Come all the way around like that. Okay, so let's make them Draw So Cute eyes, but the difference this time is I'm going to make it, since it's a robot, I decided to just go straight across. So the usual Draw So Cute eyes have a curve, but this one's a robot, so I'm going to go straight across. And then I'm going to put the line straight down, just like that. And then same thing up here, just two small circles for the highlights and shade in the top. So obviously this robot was inspired by love because Valentine's is coming up. So hope you guys have been loving the Valentine drawings that I've done so far. Make sure to check out my Valentine's playlist for other drawings I've done over the years. Okay, so let's shade this all in. And same thing over here. So I'm just going to go make sure it's right across. And add my 3 lines and nice circles. And shade it in. Okay, that took a while because it's a huge eye. Okay, then we come up here and just give it a little line to anchor my eyes. And right in the center, I'm going to give it a cute robot smile and cap it off. And you can add cheeks in here later if you want. And just some little details. I'm just gonna add a little rectangle, some lines, just to make it look more robot-y. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the arms. So it's just a very simple arm that I'm just gonna curve in. So I will start, say about right here, just draw a curve in. And I'm just gonna come out here and follow my inside curve. So let's do the same thing on this side. So about right there. And same curve all the way around. Okay, and we're gonna put a heart in the center here. So I'm gonna bring in my arm just a little bit more. And then connect it. So same thing here. Connect it, and then I'm going to add the hands. So it's just a very basic robot hand. It's like a claw. So I'm going to come in here and just thicken my claw. Like that. And then you can come in here for some details for the hand. Just curve it around so it looks rounder, has more dimension to it. There. And then let's come out here, and I'm going to basically draw another rectangle. Come down and connect it. And we can add some details in here once again, whatever you like. And all these little buttons. Okay, and so then in the center right here, I'm going to draw a heart. So I'm just going to come in here and draw the top of my heart. So this is going to be my center. And I'm going to imagine it going around. And this is going to be my center. So I'm going to add a little point and come straight down. So there, my Draw So Cute Love robot. I hope you found this super easy and inspires you to draw your own cute little robot for Valentine's. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.